Namaste. I'm going to talk today about how to make green temples. What is this green temples? All the religious places have to be very close to God, very close to nature. So really, if you have to be very close to God or nature, what are the things you should follow? Two things I'm going to tell you. Number one, if you are a devotee, what are the things you should be following? Number two, even if you are not a regular devotee going to temple, how can you make a difference in your neighborhood? First, number one, let us see if you are a devotee, what are the things that you should follow to ensure that the temples are green. One, please do not take any offerings, whether it is coconut or flowers, in a plastic cover. Instead, you have to always take it in a cloth bag. One cloth bag that was stitched with an old blouse piece or something, it can be kept especially exclusively for going to temple. This bag is for temple. Every time you go to temple, you can take offerings in this bag. Second one, if you want to take Harshna Kunkma, the turmeric and Kunkma, please avoid these packets which are easily available outside, sold outside. The problem with this is two things. One, this plastic cannot be recycled. Second thing, it is color in this. It is not the real turmeric and the Kunkma, it is the color. So better you buy big quantities of Harshna Kunkma in the house, and you can pack it in the newspaper, or you can have separate bottles, glass bottles for Harshna and Kunkma separately. So please avoid this. Second, people want to light diyas. You don't have to buy every day, every week, one dabba like this. You can have a bottle of ghee and take every time that bottle and offer the ghee. And people buy garlands to the deities. The huge garlands for the vehicles, for the deities, that should not be having this plastic. This shining plastic cannot be recycled. You ensure you buy a garland only with flowers. Flowers go back to soil and it will not harm the earth. Instead, these are problematic. Avoid this. And don't accept any prasadam as a devotee in these disposable paper cups, because these paper cups are not paper cups. It has plastic lining in this. You can also not accept prasadam in this, though this is not a banned item, still it is plastic. Any hot food in this will make plastic go into your stomach, and prasadam in this can also be refused. What can you do? Instead, whenever you go to temple, have one box in your bag. You can take prasadam in this, so that you can take home also and give your children and the family members also. So this box for prasadam is a best option. And lastly, lighting the diyas. People light diyas in temples with lemon peels or the jaggery, whatever. So avoid taking arecanut plates for diyas. The reason is arecanut is a single use. Once you use, and it is going to end up in garbage. Though it is compostable, but it takes a lot of time. Instead, reuse is the best solution always. Take a steel plate for lighting the diyas, either with lemon peels or the jaggery. This is a permanent. Keep one plate exclusively for temple visit, so that every time you go to temple you can take this plate. Even the incense sticks, you can avoid this single use 2 incense sticks in a plastic cover, because this is not going to get recycled. Instead, you can buy one big packet and take 2 to 4 whatever you want to the temple every time you go, and take all the offerings in a cloth bag. These are the things as a devotee what you should follow. Now coming to an environmentalist or a conscious citizen, if you want to bring a difference, make a change in your neighborhood, what can you do? You have to choose one temple which is close by to your house, or the place where you go, and talk to the trustees there. The procedure, you have to gather the volunteers coming to the temple as devotees or residing in the neighborhood. You make a team of yourself, and we can guide you what are the steps to be done, what are the things to be discussed with the trustees. But please believe me, where there is a will, really there is a way. If you really want to make a difference, you have to stand up to this. There are proper steps and procedures followed in many temples that we are dealing with. We are dealing with Banashankari temple, Begur Nageshwara temple, Ragi Gudda, Kadu Malleshwaram. These are few of the temples which we are trying to make green temples. If you are staying nearby to these temples, you can join our team. Or if you are staying somewhere else far in other state or other districts, please ensure you take one temple as a responsibility and make it a green temple. There are different types of temples. Small temples, medium-sized temples, large temples, everything you can bring a change. when you start this project of green temples, you get to hear a lot of people saying it is not possible, it is impossible, you cannot bring the change, people don't listen, trustees don't listen. So just keep all this aside and believe in positive thinking. Everything is possible, everything starts with a thought. You believe that it is possible and your actions will follow accordingly and you will definitely succeed. So believe in positive thinking. We have all the steps to be followed. We can handhold you, guide you, but you have to make up your mind to bring the change. We will change first and we will ensure and inspire everyone to change. Thank you.